Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So ignore my hair today. Do you think I'd suit short hair? I don't, because I look like I've got an egghead, but it's okay. So the reason I've got my hair like this for you is for you. Hello. So I have done my hair like this and it's not dead flat, but I'm prepared for this wig review. So this is how I sort my hair pretty much. Like I say, it's not too flat and it's just pinned up. I like it really flat at the top because we're going to really want to have a flat base. And down here, if you've got a wig that's down anyway, it's not going to fully matter. The hairline is good, the flatness of the wig is good, it's laying great. Da, 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 da. So I have been gifted a wig from Afro Styling and I will link their website below. But when I was trying to find wigs years back, I couldn't find any UK based wigs that sold. Like Free Dress Equal, sold Bobbi Boss, Outre, Sensational, everything was based in the US. And I found these people and I've bought a couple of wigs in the past, but I thought I'm gonna start this wig journey again, and because I like to change my look every so often. So sorry about that guys. So I like to try and change my look, and you know, like I say, I want to start this journey again. So I have bought my own wig and it was from them, and I'll review that in a separate video. But they have kindly gifted me this wig that I'm about to show you today. This wig is colour, I was gonna say colour 2. So the colour 2 is quite dark. If you don't know what the colours are, then I would suggest even going online, and even if you like a certain type of brand of wigs, then go on their website and you'll see their colour chart. But they tend to be the same colours unless they've got like their own mix that they've created for their wigs. This one that they have sent me is colour 2. This is quite dark. As you can see, I am a very pale person. I have bought colour 1 before and it's always been quite long, but this wig that they have sent me is a shorter wig and I'm kind of loving that. And I was, if I'm thinking about it, I was looking at shorter wigs anyway, especially for the summer. Are you ready? The wig today that I am reviewing is Jayda. So Jayda looks like this. She is sass. So her style is MLF337 Jayda and it's in the colour 2 and it's on the package here. So this brand is Bobbi Boss and I'm so happy because I've recently bought a Bobbi Boss wig from them, which again I'll review separately, and this one that they have sent me is Bobbi Boss. So I've never tried them and I've always pretty much been Sensational and Free Dress Equal. So let's get out the packet, let's have a look. Out of the packet. So it comes in like a little net just to keep it all together, but this is the card regarding the wig. So it's telling me that it is a 5-inch lace part, which is great because you can do a lot with that, especially when you're doing your makeup in the hairline and things. So it's hand knotted lace part, premium synthetic lace wig, and it's available in multiple colours. So if you can see that there, it's saying it's available in all them colours. Isn't she just us? You know what, I feel like this is enough talking about the wig. I really need to just put it on. See, look how dark that is, but it's gonna be sass. Here is the lace. Oh, it's quite like soft, like a soft feeling cap. Like it seems a little on the small side, and this big head. Will it fit? Will it won't? Are we Cinderella right now? Look at that. Okay, so this is the lace and it's quite a nice coloured lace. It's quite soft as well, so you're not going to have like that scratchy feel, I'm assuming. Anyway, let's have a look, shall we? You have a comb here. Where else do we have one? So you have one either side, so that tends to be quite like standard and normal. There's one at the bottom. Yep, there's one at the bottom, and there's also the straps as well for adjustability, if that's even a word. Well, let's go with it anyway. I don't think I'm going to need to adjust the straps because it's quite small, but I'm going to go ahead and put this on before I've cut the lace. Are you ready? Okay. Oh my god. So I've just secured it at the bottom. Oh my gosh, this is weird, isn't it? I love being like light haired and like blonde, so it might be coming out a little bit because, again, like I say, it seems to be quite a small like cap. You know who I feel like I look like? Farquaad. Farquaad from Shrek. So this is the hairline. There you are. So there's not much of like baby hairs or anything like that. It's quite a straight hairline. I haven't actually attached it here. So where are they? There's, so they're right on the, oh god, I thought I pulled the lace in. Nearly broke the wig. Secure it at the sides. And oh, I actually I kind of feel like Monica from Friends as well. Is that not sad? Okay, let me cut the lace because I'm just getting far too excited. Oh, I can't believe it. Sorry about these nails. Oh my god. If this isn't sassy, I don't know what is, because oh my god. What I would recommend as well, so here you can see my hair, but that's okay. What I could do with that is pretty much cut some baby hairs and kind of like gel it there. So far I've been doing this and I haven't been getting any like shedding, and this is quite like refreshing, and I feel like I could wear a wig and not get too hot or anything like that, and I feel like it feels like real hair. So let's have a look underneath. So this is what it's like underneath. So you might see some of my hair because I have quite light hair, just here. I don't really want to like brush it with a brush. I'll just finger comb it because it kind of, I don't want the curls or anything to fall out. Not that it will, because in lace wigs they don't tend to fall out, but this parting is amazing though, and I feel like it's really secure. I was saying about it's not like big head friendly technically, but I feel like it's quite snug, but it's not too snug. It's like perfect. The only difference is I didn't actually attach the straps onto the hooks, so they're just loose going on in there. But yeah, I feel like it's quite flat to the head. I'm surprised. Look how like flat that is to the head. So I haven't done an amazing job at this, but I've just moved some hair, like swooped over a little bit maybe, rather than having just like a straight line. At least there's something there going on. I do like it. So if you wanted to highlight your part in any more, you could put a bit of foundation there. Again, this colour isn't really the colour that I would probably go for, but I do like it, and I think you could probably straighten it and look really cute as well. So thank you very much to afrostyling.com, and I'll leave all their details below. And remember, this is Jayda, and I'll leave a link for this unit also and the description. But I do love it, and the shine is next to nothing. So again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you all soon.